Mm-hmm. Or throw it on the towel. No, stay with mommy. He rolling with us. Stay with mommy.
New Year's belly. Larry, stay with mommy.
It's a machine. It's a dog up here.
Larry, come here.
Y'all don't got nothing personal there, do you?
No, Larry, come with mommy.
Just walk up, Larry.
Hey, Larry, do you want to watch from my shoulders? Yeah. Larry, do they have?
What do you think, brother? It's warm. Once they get close to that water, he's not gonna go.
Yeah, I told her I'd keep an eye on him so he could be. You
gotta stay with Bethany.
We're gonna watch them get in the cold water.
No, Larry. Or at least he'll scream. It'll be like some excitement. No, it's still gonna be too cold.
It's gonna make you shiver.
It's gonna be too cold, man. Cold.
Dad's gonna get out, he's gonna be all cold. And we're gonna watch them. And we're gonna stay warm, right?
With a sinister laugh.
It's so funny, but I'll take it.
He got a bobber on his head in case he get lost. When people start screaming, he gonna start screaming, so you probably better be ready to get him. I'm gonna take off running.
Yep.
I'm gonna take off on him.
Yeah, I'm acting like he's not. I'm acting like he's totally not mine.
Like 3, 2, 1, everybody go, and I'm gonna phew.
They gonna think you stole him. They're gonna ask him for a safe word. Are you okay?
Adoption is real, people.
Well, that's the news guy right there. I see him every morning.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
We about to be up on it?
Come on, it's time. Oh, damn, sorry. Oh. Oh.
What was it?
You going in first?
We're about to do it.
You may talk to me. Yes. Not gonna happen.
Here it goes, here it goes!
Who get the official word? Oh man. Let's go. Let's scream it. Let's keep going. Come on, Steve. We went under. That's too cold. Oh man. I'll be back. Oh man. Cold. Now this is cold, y'all. Oh man. 2024. Let's get it. Woo! Woo! All right. I did it. Bucket list. Assignment completed. Oh. It's over. So chill. '24. Let's go. Woo. Oh man. Definitely an adventure. Yeah.
I can't see very well.
Huh?
He didn't want to get out.
Who did not? I had to let go. I had to pee. I couldn't go. It was. I got out there and I was like, oh, let me pee. And I was like, oh, it's too cold. And he was trying to like run in, and I was forcing it
I
out.
was like, y'all don't want to come here, but
I was like, I did a whole little spin.
He just said, who's
I don't even need it.
and I turned around and it was like, dang, mine.
He was screaming when everybody screamed.
It was once he couldn't see you anymore. He was happy to tell you guys, go, 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 you got it. And as soon as he couldn't tell who was who,
It was over.
it scared him, yeah.
Oh.
I think he thought you were like,